Hi G4G Squad, this is Shez with another video brought to you by Girls for God. Last cooking video we brought to you was pizza scrolls, where we savoury scrolls, where we did pizza and Vegemite and cheese scrolls. Today we've got a little bit more of a sweeter variation, and this maybe isn't so much for a school snack. It can be a little bit messy and sticky, but it would be great if you wanted to make dessert for your family, great with some ice cream, or once again as a snack when friends come over. So let's get started. So our ingredients are fairly simple. We've got some puff pastry. I've got a couple of sheets here. Now I have let this thaw on the bench for 5 to 10 minutes just to get it thawing. It's a lot easier to manipulate, and you don't want to let it thaw too much because then it becomes too sticky. We've got some tinned apple. Now this is stewed apple. You can get it in a tin in the canned section of your supermarket, or you can stew your own. Just peel and cut up some apples and stew them with a touch of water. No sweetness necessary until they're nice and goopy. We've got some cinnamon, some brown sugar. Now you could, instead of using cinnamon and brown sugar, you could use molasses, but in this case we're using cinnamon and brown sugar. I've also got a punnet of blueberries. Now if you don't have fresh blueberries, they're not in season, you can use frozen, and in fact you can use any type of frozen fruit. I've also got a beaten egg there that we're going to use for our egg wash. Now, if you're bored, if your puff pastry is sticking a little bit to the board, just put a little bit of flour and that will be fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to add our apple. You want 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix all that in. There's nice brown goopy. So the apple kind of disintegrates, and the blueberries, if they're frozen, they will disintegrate a little bit more, but the fresh ones will keep their shape a bit more. So in go the blueberries. Just give it a good mix. Oh, that smells so good. So we're not going, now we're going to get our assemble. So I've got my oven really hot at 200 degrees. I've also got a dish here with some parchment paper or baking paper. Now the reason I've done this is to make cleanup a little bit easier. This one will get really sticky and goopy, which is yummy. Okay, so we've got our mix. We're going to put it on your puff pastry. Now, when we're doing this, we want to roll away from yourself. So make sure that the bulk of the filling is towards the bottom 2/3. So let me just, now you don't want it to be too thick. This will become very saucy and yummy. So just give it a bit of a mix out. Now if you didn't have blueberries or frozen fruit or anything like that in your pantry, you could put some sultanas. Would also be very nice. So once you've kind of evened it out, what we're going to do is start rolling, and we just roll very carefully once we get to the bottom. Okay, now this one, we're not going to make scrolls. We're going to bring him around into a bit of a circle, smush the ends together, and then grabbing your knife, we're going to make slices. Now I don't want you to cut all the way to the bottom because then it will break apart, but we just need to make little slices. Pick him up, put him in your dish. Dab some of that, it adds colour, makes the top nice and crunchy. If you've got a pastry brush, that works a lot better, but we're just improvising with what we've got on hand. Cooking in the kitchen is meant to be fun, so don't stress too much. So this is going in the oven for 20 to 25, maybe 30 minutes, depending on where you are. And we'll come back and see how they turn out. So our blueberry and apple scrolly swirly ring has come out of the oven. Now I did have to leave it in the oven for an extra 10 minutes, so you might too. Just check it at the 25 minutes, and if it's still not crispy and brown, leave it in for another 10 minutes. Delicious served with ice cream. This would be great for a weekend treat, or for winter when it's nice and cold outside. You can have a nice warming snack. Nice and easy. Stay tuned for more recipes. Until next time, bye. Now in our previous... Hi girls for girls. Today we're going to do last video we brought to you had pizza scrolls.